Hi, my name is Benjamin. Welcome to my show. You're watching Benicarus Trades. This is the financials markets wrap up for December the 13th of 2023. Of course, today was a big day because the FOMC announced their interest rate decision, and also Fed Chairman Jerome Powell was talking to the audience and taking questions. It turned out that it seems to be a good day because obviously the markets rallied like crazy. It was a big gift from Jerome Powell to everyone who was long and in the markets. So let's see what he had to say. So the Fed holds rates steady, indicates 3 cuts coming in 2024. Surprisingly, of course, the markets already priced in 4 to 5 rate cuts actually. So it is interesting that penciling in 3 rate cuts is going to cause a rally of this magnitude. However, the good thing was that he was talking a lot more dovishly, meaning that he pointed out 3 rate cuts. He didn't really point out any cuts before, and also he said they can afford to be a little bit more patient in terms of making more interest rate decisions. He also liked the fact that the job market is really solid, so I guess from now on it is true that good news are good news again, so we'll have to watch it closely. He also pointed out that he is trying to also achieve a 2% interest rate target and inflation rate by 2026. All right, let's check out what was going on today. So there is only green, nothing red. Real estate, utilities leading the way. Technology also in the plus, but almost the last sector of all of them. On the future side, we had silver, the Russell, palladium, gasoline, oats, coffee, all advancing, while sugar, wheat, lean hogs, soybean, orange juice came down. On an individual stock basis, we do have a lot of greenery here, but some of the stocks that were advancing quite a bit over the last few weeks did not really go with the Fed, such as Microsoft, Adobe, and other stocks are also muted, just as Google or Meta. Pfizer had a negative catalyst. They issued an earnings warning for 2024 because the COVID vaccinations are coming down and are not meeting expectations. I guess, you know, what I want to say about it is this. I am having my rules the way I want to trade, and yes, on a day like today, it sort of sucks to be not in the market, at least not heavily, because let's be honest, whatever the Fed said today, what happened today, we were not able to foresee it. We could have guessed it, but it could have went the complete other way. So of course I am regretting a little bit that I'm not in the market, but would I have entered the market? No, I wouldn't, because it's not in my rules the way I trade. So yes, a little bit of frustration here from my side, but it doesn't matter. I know I have to tell this to myself. All right, so what else was going on today? We did have also the PPI numbers coming out. The PPI numbers were actually a lot better than expected. Here we have it. In the month of November, it was up 0.9%. Expected was 1.2%, so that's positive. And on a month-over-month basis, it was actually completely neutral at 0%. Expected was 0.2%. All right, here we have it. The SPY, you can see a massive candle starting to form at 2 p.m. And of course, that was just the beginning. Then we had the speech of Jerome Powell, and there was only one way, which was up. So let's check out the other charts on a daily, because basically all look the same. They hit off at 2 o'clock. So on the daily, we do have the SPY breaking, of course, the 260 area a while ago and just moving upwards. We do have QQQ also being on an all-time high. IWM, which is the Russell 2000, is up more than 3.6%. That's crazy. So the not magnificent sevens are actually pumping like crazy. Dow Jones also up 1.5%, and then we have TLT up 2.26%. Really nice move here. We have some semiconductors. I mean, it's all basically green. We have some outliers, which are, I guess, Netflix 3.78%. We have one of the smaller stocks, which is InMode, up 5.3%, Rivian 7.5%. Now look at this, Enphase 8%. I mean, it's just going on and on and on. Coinbase, HUD 8. I mean, it's just crazy. All right. So if you like this video, of course, I would really appreciate if you subscribe and like the video. That would help me out a lot. If you want to help me out even more, please consider opening a interactive brokerage account using the link in my description if you like their product and their platform. Also, I am a big fan of the Tradesviz software, which is a trading journal. And last but not least, the Trading Pit, which is a challenge. And for instance, they have a CFD challenge. What I like a lot is they give you a 90-day challenge duration, which I think is really generous. All right, that's it for today. I hope you will have a fantastic night or day wherever you are, and I'll talk to you soon.